Hello everyone, this is a Subaru Brat. This casting is by Hotwheels and it's part of their car culture lineup. It's a Hot Wheels premium, metal on metal and real riders. Looks nice. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Subaru Brat out of its packaging. Brat was a very unique pickup truck. I will show you in a minute why. But let's start from the front. Up front, you got nicely detailed front end with detailed headlamp, turn indicators, a bull bar, and the stripes going on the hood. Also got vents, windshield wipers, and mirrors. Some good details there. If you look closely, you can also see. I don't know if my camera can focus. You can also see the badge there. I don't think my camera can really focus there. Let's move to the driver's side now. So on the driver's side, since it's a premium, so you got rubber tires and these plastic wheels. They look nice here. Also got the black wheel arches, plastic piece, which is very usual of early SUVs. They had this black piece. Looks like it also got side mounted exhaust, and we also got detailed turn indicator here, 4x4 written in the back, and a fuel filler on the driver's side. There's a 2-door, so regular cab. Also you can see there's a somebody called sportscar or just a bar with some auxiliary lights on the top. Just black trim piece. Very 90s, 80s kind of design, very epoxy. Coming to the rear, again good details in the rear. You can see it's got the 4-wheel drive sticker. It's called the Brat sticker. Tail lights are detailed. You also got the door handle and the trim piece of the number plate. Also got the black bumper. And since we are here, that's something unique about Brat that I was talking about. It had rear facing seats in the bed, and so we not modified anything. It came like that from the factory, so they were legal. It had seat belts and everything. So that was something unique you didn't see on any other truck. Some earlier wagons did have like those seats in the back, but they were enclosed, not something like this and open. Now coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical minus the fuel filler cap. This is how it looks from the top, and this is how it looks from the bottom. Side mounted exhaust, rubber wheels with treads. So overall, I like the color, I like the details on this one, and I never had a Subaru Brat in my collection, so when I saw this I had to get it. But I will leave it to you. If you are a Subaru fan, go get it. If you want something unique with seats in the bed, go get it. It's a nice casting. I mean, there's nothing like wrong with it. Yeah. Well, that's all for the day. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.